Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th maths and our topic is triangle and its properties. Student, in this chapter we learn what is triangle. The closed figure formed by three non-parallel lines segment is called a triangle. Okay, understand? Means three-sided closed figure and the side is non-parallel. Okay, line segment is called a triangle. Okay, understand? And triangle having 6 elements means 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, and they have 3 vertices also. A triangle with vertices A, B, C is denoted by the symbol triangle ABC. Okay, understand? So in a triangle we get always 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertex. Okay, 3 vertices. Okay, the 3 side and 3 angle of a triangle are called the 6 part or element of a triangle. Okay, understand? Now according to their sides we have classified the triangle into 3 parts, that is equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal is called the equilateral triangle. Okay, and in a triangle in which any 2 of its sides are equal length is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, a triangle in which all 3 sides are of different length is called scalene triangle. Okay student, I think we have discussed it in our previous video. And classification of a on the basis of an angle, if we talk about classification of angle, it is also divided into three parts, that is acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? A triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree is called the acute angle triangle. Okay, a triangle having its one angle as a right angle is called right angle triangle. A triangle having one of its angle more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, understand? So we have classified triangle according to their sides and according to their angles. Okay, now what is angle sum property of a triangle? We can talk about angle sum property of a triangle, exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, let's see angle sum property. What is angle sum property? First of all we see exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Okay, an exterior angle property says that, and first of all in this chapter we have learned median and altitude. Okay, did you know what is median? Median divides the triangle into a median connect a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite sides. Okay, understand? Means if we talk about a median, then median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite sides. Okay, understand? And we can say that a straight line that joins a vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called a median of a triangle. Okay, understand? And what do you mean by altitude? A straight line that joins a vertex of a triangle with a point on the side opposite to it and it's perpendicular to that side is called an altitude of the triangle. Okay, an altitude can lie in the exterior of a triangle. Okay, the two sides in a right angle triangle are its altitude. Okay, median and altitude coincide in an equilateral triangle. If the triangle is equilateral, then median and altitude are coincide. Okay, understand? Now Properties of a triangle. First property, we can say that angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? Angle sum property of triangle state that the sum of three interior angle of triangle is always 180 degree. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, understand? So in this chapter, and we learn about exterior angle property of a triangle. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle property says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, exterior angle properties of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, and now in our previous video we can learn about angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, and how to prove the angle sum property of the triangle. Okay, now remember one thing, student. The sum of three interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of the interior opposite angle, and the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Okay, remember these things. Okay, understand? And we can do the exercise 6.1 and 6.2. 6.2 is depend on exterior angle property of a triangle, and then we can learn angle sum property of a triangle, and we can do 6.3, exercise 6.3. Okay, so now student, we can learn about two special triangles, that is equilateral and isosceles. Okay, now what is equilateral triangle and what is isosceles triangle? See student, the name of the triangle is equilateral. A triangle in which all three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, means all the three sides of equal length, then we can say that it's an equilateral triangle. And only two sides are of equal length, then we can say that it's an isosceles triangle. Okay, understand? So first of all, we talk about equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Let us take two triangles ABC in this figure. See here, there is two triangles ABC. Okay, if all the three sides are equal, we keep one of them fixed and place the second triangle on it. Okay, there is two triangles. First, in a first triangle, it's given all the three sides are equal, and in second triangle, it's given all the three angles are equal. Okay, so फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल को हम क्या करेंगे, फिक्स रखेंगे, और सेकंड ट्रायंगल को क्या करेंगे, उसके ऊपर सुपरपोज करेंगे. सुपरपोज करना मतलब उसके ऊपर रखेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. if it fits exactly on it, the first, then we can say that the two triangles are equal. Okay, understand? So when we superpose the one triangle to the another, it implies that the three sides of a triangle are equal. If three sides of a triangle are equal, then the three angles are also equal. Okay, we can also define equilateral triangle as a triangle having equal angles. Since the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, so each angle of an equilateral triangle is always measured to 60 degree. Okay, understand? So we can say that in an equilateral triangle, we conclude that it is in an equilateral triangle, all sides have same length and each angle has measured 60 degree. Okay, understand? Now second one is our isosceles triangle, and a triangle in which two sides are of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. Let's take another two triangles, which are isosceles, means only two sides are of equal length. Okay, these two triangles, and in these two triangles, two sides are of equal length. Okay, so if we fold the triangle which such that B falls on C, मीन्स अगर हम एक्स वाई जेड ले रहे हैं तो हम अगर इसे फोल्ड करते हैं इस ट्रायंगल को सी, जहाँ से इन्होंने डॉटेड लाइन दी हुई है वहाँ से अगर हम फोल्ड करते हैं और वो फोल्ड करने पर एक्स वाई जो है वो एक्स जेड पर क्या हो रहा है, सुपरपोज हो रहा है, मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर पूरा पूरा बैठ रहा है. अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब वो हमें कोई भी पोर्शन उसका बाहर जाता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड, कोइंसाइड हो रहा है विथ एक्स जेड. देन वी विल फाइंड दैट एंगल y is equal to angle z. Okay, fit on each other exactly. Thus, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then the opposite angle opposite to them are also equal. Always remember, means if the triangle is isosceles, means two sides have same length, then base angle of opposite to the equal side are equal. Okay, understand? So, if the triangle is isosceles, then all angles are having 60 degree measure of 60 degree, and if the triangle is equilateral, then all angles are having 60 degree measure, and if the triangle is isosceles, then base angle which two sides are equal, then base angle opposite to the equal side are equal length. Okay, understand? So these two properties, we say that first is equilateral angle property and second is isosceles triangle property. Okay, understand? So remember it, these two property. Then now very important, sum of the length of two sides of a triangle. If we talk about sum of the length of two sides of a triangle, then first of all, student, I will give you some activity. In our previous video, draw 10 or 15 different angles and add their angle if they are exactly 180 or not. Okay, so it's your subject enrichment activity. Okay, understand? So what is your subject enrichment activity for PT2? It's a draw different 10 or 15 triangle and add these triangles. Okay, understand? And give me your, and remember this thing, no one आप लोग खाली पेंसिल से बना करके भेज देते हैं, वैसा नहीं चलेगा. आपको एक्टिविटी बनाना है. एक्टिविटी इज समथिंग अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, कुछ अच्छा दिखना चाहिए उसमें. आप खाली पेंसिल से बना करके भेज देंगे, इट्स नॉट अ सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी. एंड ऑलवेज whenever you draw and whenever you make any activity, always send it with your pic. मीन्स आपको उसके साथ रह करके एक अपनी सेल्फी लेना है और फिर वो मुझे सेंड करना है. अगर आपने ऐसा नहीं किया तो वो सबमिशन नहीं माना जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो it's your subject enrichment activity. Remember, it's your subject enrichment activity. Draw 3 different triangles. Okay, 10 or 15 different triangle and add their angles. Okay, measure their angles and add their angles is they are 180 or not. Okay, and in these 10 or 15 triangles, ऐसा करिए आप लोग 15 ट्रायंगल बनाइए. ओके, डिफरेंट 15 ट्रायंगल्स बनाइए, उनको मेज़र करिए, उनके एंगल्स को मेजर करिए. नाउ अब उसी एक्टिविटी में आपका सेकंड पार्ट आता है. आपको उन्हीं ट्रायंगल्स में उनकी साइड को मेज़र करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ टू साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट, टुडे इज डेट 17. ओके, सो 17 अगस्त को मैं आपको PT2 का सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी दे रही हूँ. ओके, जो आपको मैं पहले बता चुकी हूँ कि आपको 10 से 15 ट्रायंगल्स बनाने हैं, उनका एंगल मेजर करना है और एक चार्ट बनाना है कि वो जब एंगल मेजर कर रहे हो तो 180 हो रहा है या नहीं। अंडरस्टैंड? ओके। नाउ अब जो आपने वो 10 और 15, ओके, you can make 10 triangles. Then these 10 triangles you have to measure their sides also. Okay, and let's see what you have see. Okay, so I will told you what you have to see. It's very interesting because when you draw these 10 triangles of different size and width, different angle, and label them as a triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Okay, measure the length of the side of each triangle and fill up the table. Okay, I will show you which type of table you can draw. Okay, just a minute. First table I will show you in our previous video. Okay, and second table I will show you in your this video. Okay, see students, this type of table you can make and write your measurement. Okay, understand? एंड फर्स्ट वन वाला टेबल आपका इस टाइप से होगा। नेम ऑफ ट्रायंगल आपने जो भी नेम दिया है, मेजर ऑफ एंगल्स एंड सम ऑफ मेजर ऑफ ऑल द 3 एंगल्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So you can make these 2 tables in this chapter, okay, in your subject enrichment activity. Understand? I will very clear tell you what you have to do. You have to make 10 different triangles and measure their angles and put up in this type of table. Okay, make this table: name of triangle, measure of angles, sum of the measure of 3 angles. Okay, and second one I will show you what you can do in second table: triangle, length and sum of 2 sides, any 2 sides. Okay, understand? In this in your book it's also given. See here, this table 6 point which number of table is, you can see here. Okay, in figure 6.22 के नीचे जो फिगर टेबल दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये टेबल अलग टाइप से दिया है. मैंने जो आपको बताया है आपको उस टाइप से टेबल मैप करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट योर रिजल्ट हैव. ओके, आप जो रिजल्ट लेकर आएंगे उसके बाद हम देखेंगे. बट नाउ आवर in the chapter what is the given. Okay, and then we see your measurement and our property is match or not. Okay, understand? Now so in each of the above triangle we find that अगर आप वो 10 triangles का measurement निकालेंगे तो आप क्या देखेंगे? Find that the sum of any 2 side of a triangle is greater than the third side. ओके, आप जब भी 2 साइड को सम करेंगे, प्लस करेंगे, सम करना मीन्स प्लस करना. ओके, जब भी 2 साइड के मेजरमेंट को प्लस करोगे तो वो थर्ड साइड से ऑलवेज बड़ा रहेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? द सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ एनी 2 साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड, इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. कोई भी 2 साइड को आप प्लस करके देख लीजिए, वो हमेशा थर्ड साइड से बड़ा ही होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो the sum of any 2 side of a triangle is greater than the third side. and same here, अगर हम difference की बात करें तो the difference of any 2 side of a triangle is less than the third side. Okay, understand? So when we talk about the sum of 2 sides of a triangle, then it's always greater than. and when we talk about difference about side of a triangle, then it's always less than the third side. Understand? Okay, now let's see हमने ये जो पढ़ा इसका हमें क्या यूज़ आएगा. Okay, so let's take example number 3. Is there a triangle whose side have length 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Let's see, वो हमसे पूछ रहा है क्या इन साइड से मिलकर के कोई ट्रायंगल बन सकता है। तो हम कैसे बताएंगे? नाउ वी कैन, हमें पता है कि अगर हम कोई भी दो साइड को ऐड करते हैं तो वो थर्ड साइड से ऑलवेज बड़ा होना चाहिए। ओके, इफ दे आर ग्रेटर देन एंड देन, अगर वो तीनों कॉम्बिनेशन आपके बड़े हैं थर्ड साइड से, तो ही आपका क्या होगा, वो जो ट्रायंगल है वो पॉसिबल है। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? तो देन 4.5 plus 5.8, what is the addition? That is 10 point something. Okay, 8 plus 5 that is 13. Okay, and 5 plus 5 10, so 10.3. 10.3 is greater than 10.2. Okay, so it's done. First one is done. Now second one, 15.10 or 16. 16 is greater than 4.5. Next one, 10.2 plus 4.5 is obvious greater than 5.8. So yes, the triangle is possible. Understand? So you can see that if only sides are given, then you can only, अगर साइड दी हुई हैं तो आप पता कर सकते हैं ट्रायंगल बन सकता है या नहीं बन सकता है। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? इफ द लेंथ ऑफ टू साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर 6 सेंटीमीटर 8 सेंटीमीटर, बिटवीन विच टू नंबर कैन लेंथ ऑफ द थर्ड साइड फॉल? नाउ, अब कौन से दो ऐसे नंबर होंगे जिनके बीच में थर्ड साइड हो सकती है? सो वी कैन नो दैट अगर हम दो साइड को प्लस करते हैं तो वो ऑलवेज बड़ी होगी थर्ड साइड के। ओके, सो 8 plus 6 that is 14. 14 से ऑलवेज क्या होगा, वो साइड का लेंथ छोटा होगा, और जब हम माइनस करते हैं तो वो बड़ा होगा। मीन्स जब हम 8 minus 6 करेंगे तो 2 आएगा। ओके, देयरफॉर द थर्ड साइड बी लेस देन द सम ऑफ टू साइड्स। ओके, एंड द थर्ड साइड the side cannot be less than the difference of two side, means 2 से वो बड़ा होगा और 14 से छोटा होगा। okay, understand? The length of the third side could be any length greater than 2 and less than 14. okay, understand? So now exercise 6.4, let's see what is the question number first. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So you can add any two side and see the triangle is possible or not. Okay, understand? So here question number 5 and 6, आप लोग इसे करने की कोशिश करेंगे अपनी नोटबुक में। ओके, डू इट इन योर नोटबुक, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट टेल मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे.